Prepare for attack. Just run them over. Today I got this set, which I've been wanting to get my hands on it for a while, but I could never find it in stores, and I'm not sure why. I don't know if it was like a Target exclusive or an online exclusive, but I recently got this on Amazon, so maybe it was Amazon exclusive. I'm not sure if they do that, but who knows. As this set is really cool looking, and it has a lot of play features too. So first up, we are going to put these little, I don't know what you call these, just like, they're not stud shooters, they are like a flick missiles. Well, that did not do anything. There it goes. There it goes. There the other one goes. He is out of ammo. What is he gonna do? Best thing to do. Just run them over. Quick. Get inside. So my other reviews I just talked about. Like, oh, this set can do this, and this set can also do that. But this time, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna like show what you can actually do by playing with the set as what it's made for, not talking about it. There's room in here. Get inside. How can I get in there? I gotta crawl in. Ow, my head. Wow, you got a big head for a clone. So I gotta repair that. There we go. Oh no. Hold on, I think never mind. I thought there was a place where I could put the lightsabers at. I'm not sure. I thought there was. Maybe there is. There's more coming. Oh, I got an idea. Uh-oh. This set is all stickers too, by the way. Our first clone we're gonna look at. So, oops. These two are the same. And I think they are the 187th Legion. I'm not sure, but they have the same head because they are clones. I really love the purple on these minifigures. These may be one of my favorite clones, actually. Just looking at them, they really stick out. You see on the back too. Like, if you just look at the other clones, like the 501st, they have like little print into the legs and the torso, but this one has like all purple and it has a strap to it. You can see some gray and some purple on the toes. The 501st just have gray, but this one, these clones actually do have some purple, like everywhere. Now let's talk about the commander. I really love this guy, how he just looks, and this is the first time I've ever gotten this helmet too. So these guys don't have names, but I'm calling this guy Commander Jackson. And then this is Sam and this is Sammy. And of course we got talk about Nick Fury. I mean Mace Windu. I really love how well this minifigure is. I mean, look at the details on this. You got arm printing on a Jedi. And I think that face is new. I don't think it appeared in the gunship. It might have. I love the purple lightsaber. When I was a kid, I always wanted I always wanted a purple lightsaber, but I could never find one in Walmart. And the only ones I found was like I think it was like broken or something. I was like, oh man, like the only one I see is broken. Like it don't work right. Ooh, this is a good thumbnail. Hold on. But it was a good thumbnail. There, I'll just have it at that.